In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the Canva not downloading files issue. If you've been struggling to get your Canva designs to download, you're not alone. Fortunately, I have a simple guide to help you resolve this problem. Let's dive in and get your designs downloaded without a hitch. First, you'll want to head over to Canva's website. Open your preferred web browser and type in canva.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a login button. Go ahead and click on it. If you're not already logged in, you will need to enter your credentials. Now, if everything is set up for you, just click on Continue. If you have multiple accounts, you'll need to select the right one. Choose the account you wish to log into. Once you're logged in, you should be able to see your projects. Now locate and open the specific project that's been giving you the download issue. Sometimes simply refreshing your browser can solve the problem. It might sound basic, but browser issues are often the culprit when it comes to download-related problems. By refreshing, you're just giving it a little nudge to try again with a clean slate. So go ahead and give that refresh button a press. Having refreshed, it's time to inspect individual elements within your design. Occasionally, issues arise from corrupted elements in your design. Scan through and make sure everything is in order. If something looks off, consider replacing or deleting that element. Next, find the Share button on your Canva interface. Click it and try downloading your file again. This download attempt makes sure that any previous hiccups are bypassed. Once you click the Share button, locate the download option and click on it. After selecting Download, you will typically have a few options regarding the file type. Choose the appropriate file type that suits your needs and click on the Download button again. This should initiate the downloading process. If after following all these steps you're still having trouble, it might be worth considering the complexity of your design itself. Complex designs with lots of elements can sometimes cause issues. If possible, try to simplify your design by reducing elements and layers. This can often help in eliminating download problems. That's it, and now you should be able to download your Canva file successfully. By checking the steps we've covered, you're likely to find and rectify the issue that was stopping your download. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips on using Canva and other design tools.